everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about hycon. Hycon stands for Hyper-Connected Coin. It is the first phase of the Infinity Project ecosystem which will allow anyone to create their own Infinity blockchain. So let's find out more about hycon proposal by looking through the full details on their site and white paper. So let's go down. This is the introduction video about hycon. So as you see, they say hycon ICO successfully complete. So let's go down to the partners and affiliates of the project. So Frankfurt School, Blockchain Center, ICO, Check. So let's have some knowledge about hycon. What is it and how does it work? So there are no specific use cases outlined in the hycon white paper, although the site does briefly cover this area. By looking through the details, we can see the main factors that users will benefit from. For example, we can see proof of work is needed to publish a block. Equally, we can see full details of the mining process that is planned to last for 50 years and of the hycon wallet. So as you see, powering hyper-connected blockchain solutions. If you want to know more about it, know more details about it, you should check out white paper. So this is the benefits of hycon: faster, scalable, frictionless. This is the use cases. So from a high level view, the hycon token's only use case for the moment is to lay on top of the Infinity Project blockchain. Although the project is impressive, its token utility needs to be backed by large adoption of the network. The white paper concludes with the summary that they will introduce a safe and fast type of cryptocurrency that will be available addition to their world of digital currencies. So let's have a quick check on use cases. Infinity platform, blockchain for all. These some use cases, for example, organizational accountability, organizational transparency, data security. So if you want to know more about it, you should check out the site hycon.io. So let's have a quick check on token distribution. This the airdrop, ecosystem development fund, bounty, team, investors, public meaning, corporate social responsibility. So they spend 70% budget to research and development. So let's go up. We have some. We'll look through this already. So let's go down. Also white paper on English language, Korean, Japanese and Chinese, but I don't understand which is where. So let's go to the roadmap of the project. So they started the project in 2017 and 25th of September. It was the first wave, a career pre-ICO. So now they are on a stage of Infinity platform. As they said earlier, Infinity platform already complete. So their roadmap ends at 2018 and the fourth quarter. This is Infinity Decentralized Exchange. So let's learn more about team and have overview. So as always, the composition of the team working on the project gives us an indicator of how likely it is to find success. In this case, we can see 15 team members and 2 advisors from diverse range of background. So this is the team, and there are 2 advisors, Dr. Philip Sander and Monique Jean Morrow. Dr. Sander is head of the Frankfurt School Blockchain Center at the Frankfurt School of Finance and Management, and Monique is president and co-founder of the Humanized Internet, and non-profit organization focused on providing digital identity for those individuals most underserved. So about the team. The team section starts off with Jiwon Kim, who is the CEO and CTO. His description shows that he leads Glossphere, the development company behind everything, and the Infinity project. By clicking through to his LinkedIn profile, we don't see a lot of extra information, but there is a video that explains more about the project. So the next on the list is CISO and CPO. Don Gru Yao, who is said to be a security expert with a background in the Ministry of National Defense Cyber Command and National Police Agency. Also listed here is Chris Na, who is the COO, Executive Vice President and Blockchain Engineer and blockchain engineer, also director Dong Seon Kim. As we run through the rest of the hycon team, we can see titles such as Global Marketing Director, Communication Manager, as well as a number of blockchain engineers. The site is fairly light on details of the experience of these team members, so you may want to click through their LinkedIn profiles for more information. So the first advisor, his name is... I already said about advisors. Some words. So now I want to go back to the distribution, token distribution, and say more about how does the token work. The HYC token is an integral part of this project. 70% of them will be made available for mining over the next 50 years. This is next generation cryptocurrencies that the team hopes will lead to virtual currencies being more widely accepted and used. The hycon ICO is the first phase of the roadmap, with the Infinity platform being second and the Infinity decentralized exchange being the third. So their site explains in detail how the rest of the token will be allocated, with research and development taking up the biggest share of the remaining 3 billion tokens. So as you see, the research and development have more than half of budget. So let's go up. The hope for investors in this case is that hycon ushers in a new way of dealing with cryptocurrencies that is widely accepted. If this is the case, then it seems certain that the value of an original investment will grow. However, this project is still somewhat under the radar for many, as it is a Korean project for the most part. There is no bonus available in the public sale of tokens, but staggering pricing rollout means that it pays to get involved early on. So now I want to talk with you about opportunities and risks. This is what they say. They explain in the white paper. So the white paper explains the fact that there is the chance to make a big difference to the existing cryptocurrency methods around. It is clear that there is a lot of interest in this subject, but there are some limitations in the current approach that the Hycon team feel could be avoided. So let's stop on the partners. Their approach could pave the way for a faster and more secure way of using digital currencies. If it is widely adopted, then this is likely to be a huge success that grows impressively over time. The success of the private token sale to date is a very good sign that confidence levels are high. No risks or disclaimers have been added to the white paper at the time of writing. However, it is clear that many of the usual ICO risks apply in terms of new technologies, like legislation, and growing competition. So let's have a conclusion on this hycon ICO. This is an interesting idea that has obviously been well thought out. The technical details are well fleshed out, and there is no doubt that the team has a strong grasp of the technical side of things. On the negative side, the white paper feels a bit too short and very heavily weighted toward the technical issues rather than appealing to someone who isn't so technically minded. It may be difficult for some readers to fully envisage the end result, which could be due to the Hycon team being filled with far more blockchain engineers than marketing or communication experts. Finally, having just two advisor, on a board doesn't seem like the best idea. It would be reassuring to see that more experts are there to keep the project firmly on track at all times. So this is the end of my reviewing of hycon. If you like this video, click on like button. If you want to see more video like this, click on subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.